Yo, what up? This is Sunny 12K with a unboxing of Coach CLOG sandals, whatever you want to call them. They're Coach. They look comfortable, and I got them from Amazon. I got them from Amazon for like $145. So let's check this out. It's an unboxing. Coach from Amazon, delivered to my house. Easy. Oh wow. As you can see, little Coach authenticator, which me dig. What does it say? Wear it, love it, pass it on. Dope. So, pretty cool. Coach sandals. You can see the wrapping got the Coach little thing in there. Coach print. Little damage, whatever. And this is the unboxing. Wow. This is nice. Coach. Comfortability. I'm playing video games for a long time. I need some comfortable ass shoes. I think this is gonna work. $145. Amazon, delivered to your house. You can feel that shit too. It smells good too. This is the unboxing. Coach. Pretty dope. Like, it's not bad looking at all. Cool. The unboxing. This is the unboxing. Little buckle. Get a little nice little in there. Coach. Just pull this thing out. It looks good. I don't know. I was debating about wearing this at work, but they're too nice. Like, I might as well wear these at the house. Just chill. House and chill via video games. Fighting games. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. I like this. So there's one. Let's see what the other one looks like. Wow. These things smell nice. I wish you could smell it through the phone or whatever device you're looking through. Look at that. Coach sandals. CLOG sandals. Men's. You can tell they're men's because it's more of a, combat boot on the bottom. Not like a sandal. So it's like a clog, I guess, or something. I don't know. To each his own, but these look comfortable as shit. I think I'm happy with my purchase. You can get these at Amazon. $145. Little luxury. And who knows? I might get the others. Looks nice. Coach. Let's see. Yeah, you can smell the leather. It is really good. Real nice. Okay, I tear it. Oh, it's tape. That's what that is. I can't find it. It's somewhere on there. There it is. Or just break it off. Cool. But look. Clean. And this is adjustable too, so you just do this and bam. So you want a smaller size probably. A little adjusting. Not that hard to do. Sick. So, yeah. Looking for some comfortable shoes to play in? Got something to spend? Want to spend something on yourself? Check it out. Coach sandals. This is the unboxing. So, pretty legit, yo. Like, they smell good, look good, worth the money. Something while, you have a hard time, need some comfortable shit for your feet while you're playing some fighting games, FGC shit, there you go. I'm Sunny12K, and this is the unboxing of some Coach clogs for men. Coach. Men's clogs. Sandals. Whatever you want to call them. And I'm over and out.